Like and subscribe, and ring the bell to join us for more adventures. Timo places a small paper boat in a slow-moving stream. The boat begins floating slowly along the calm water. Soon, the current starts moving faster as the stream narrows between rocks. An important word becomes useful: salvage. Salvage means rescuing something before it is lost. Timo walks along the grassy stream bank. Ahead, the water begins to move faster, and the current starts carrying the paper boat farther away. Just before the paper boat drifts too far away, Timo leans down and carefully grabs it from the stream. The little paper boat is safe again. Timo remembers that when something is salvaged, it means saving something before it is carried away, and quick action helps him protect important things on his journeys.
For more cartoon stories and advanced English vocabulary, and to build the skills you need for exam success, visit vocabcartoons.com. Cartoons, quizzes, and games that help you learn fast. Start free.